Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children. In this class we have read about subtraction. This is your chapter 4. In your previous class and previous chapter you have read about what is addition in chapter 3rd. In chapter 4 you have to read about what is subtraction. Subtraction is the deduction of a smaller number from a larger one. Subtraction is the deduction of a smaller number from a larger one. Means subtraction में हम ज्यादा संख्या में से क्या करते हैं, कम को घटाते हैं. And here is 5 and here is 3. You have to subtract 3 from 5. We get 2. This is our answer. So with the help of subtraction, we have to deduct of a smaller number from a larger number. This is the symbol of a subtraction. It's called minus. Minus is the symbol of subtraction. With the help of this subtraction, with the help of this symbol, we can subtract 2 digits from a smaller to a larger one. Here is an example. You have to subtract 8. You have to subtract 4 from 8. You have to write 8 here and 4 here. Now you have to subtract 8 minus 4. We get 4. We can subtract these numbers, these digits with the help of some vertical lines, with the help of some figures, or with the help of figures if digits are less than other digits. Here is 8 and here is 4. And other example, you have to subtract 3 and 2. 3 minus 2, we get 1. So this is the subtraction. With help of subtraction, we can subtract a smaller number from a larger number. And now your exercise 4. Work out. In your exercise, there are many types of questions. Here is your type 1 question. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers without borrowing. And in this type, we have to subtract these numbers without borrowing. and बिना borrow किए भी, बिना हासिल लिए भी हमें क्या करना है, इसे subtract करना है. When we subtract 1 minus 0, we get 1. When we subtract 9 minus 7, we get 2. There is 7 in 1's position and 5 in 10's position. This 2 in 1's position and this 2 is on 10's position. We have to subtract without borrowing. 7 minus 2, we get 5. And when we subtract 5 minus 2, we get 3. This is your type 1. And this is your type 2 question of subtraction. You have to subtract. Here is subtraction of 2-digit numbers with borrowing. You have to subtract these numbers with the help of some borrow. Here is 6 and here is 9. 9 is greater than 6. We can subtract 6 minus 9. So you have to take some borrows from this 5. We take borrow once. It becomes 16. Now when we subtract 16 minus 9, we get 7. And this becomes 4. 4 minus 3, we get 1. You have to borrow 1 tens. Tens plus 6, it becomes 16. So 16 is here. And when we subtract 16 from 9, we get 7. And this 5 become 1, become 4. And when we subtract 4 minus 3, we get 1. And here is 5 and here is 9. You have to subtract 5 from 9. So you have to subtract 9 from 5. So you can't subtract these digits. So you have to take some borrows from this one. When we take 1 tens, it becomes 15. 1 ones, 1 tens plus 5, it becomes 15. And 15 minus 9, we get 6. And this one becomes 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. This is the subtraction of borrowing. And your type 3 question, subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. You have to subtract these numbers, these 3 numbers without borrowing. You have to subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2, we get 2. 5 minus 3, we get 2. And 6 minus 2, we get 4. Here is 4 minus 2, we get 2. Here is 2 Here is 4 minus 3 we get 1. Here is 5 minus 3 we get 2. When you have to subtract 7 from 9, you have to write it in this way, 9 and here is 7. You have to write larger number on the first position and the smaller number in last position, and then you have to subtract 9 minus 7 we get 2. Here is type 4 question, subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. You have to subtract these numbers with the help of borrowing. Here is 8 and here is 9. You have to subtract 9 from 8. We can't subtract 8 minus 9, so you have to take some borrow from this 2. You have to take 1 tenth. It becomes 18. 18 minus 9 we get 9, and this 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 1 we get 0, and here is 6. 6 minus 0 equal to 6. Here is 8 and here is 3. You have to subtract 8 from 3. We can't subtract, so we have to take some borrows from this 10. From this 8, it becomes, when we borrow 1 tenth, it becomes 30. 13 minus 8 we get 5, and it becomes 7. 7 minus 1 we get 6, and when we subtract 7 minus 6 we get 1. This is your type 4 question, and this is your type 5 question and your last question of your exercise 4. Here is some brainstorming questions with subtraction. Question 1. In a twice of there are 112 toys. Out of them 56 are electric toys and the remaining are non-electric. Find the number of non-electric toys. यानी एक टॉयस ऑफ पे 112 टॉयज ऐसे हैं जो क्या इलेक्ट्रिक से चलते हैं और 56 टॉयज ऐसे हैं जो इलेक्ट्रिक से नहीं चलते हैं. तो ये यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ नॉन इलेक्ट्रिक टॉयज. यानी टोटल नंबर ऑफ टॉयज है 112 टॉयज and non-electric toys are 56. Total number of toys are 112. Total toys equal to 112 and electric toys equal to 56. You have to find out the number of non-electric toys. So you have to subtract these numbers 112 and 56 to find out the number of non-electric toys. When we subtract 6 from 2, we have to take some balance from this 1. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 we get 6, and this becomes 0. And we have to borrow 1 tenth from this. It becomes 10. When it becomes 10, we have to subtract 5 from 10. We get 10. And this is nothing, so 56. So the number of non-electric toys equal to 56 and the number of electric toys equal to 56. To find out the number of non-electric toys, we have to subtract electric toys from total number of toys. And here's question number 2. A milkman sold 127 liters of milk on Monday and 112 liters on Tuesday. How much lesser quantity of milk did he sell on Tuesday? यानी मंडे को वो बेचता है 127 लीटर और ट्यूसडे को 112 लीटर. तो ट्यूसडे को मंडे से कितना कम बेचता है? तो टू फाइंड आउट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क दैट ही सोल्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मंडे. मंडे को कितना बेचा था? मंडे इक्वल टू 127 लीटर and on Tuesday he sold 112 liters. To find out the lesser quantity of milk, we have to subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 2 we get 5. 2 minus 1 we get 15. 15 liters. The number of the quantity of milk is equal to 15 that he sell on Tuesday. This is your answer of this question.
Thanks for watching this video.